Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here. Today we're going to be taking a walk down towards the fancy seafront. Potentially going to be a long video, so yeah, if you're able to stay with me this long, then well done. If not, hey ho, at least you tried. There's Mike. Looks like Mr. Chips, or my Chips over the road, is preparing for winter. And now, off we go down to the front. The shop here is shut. Leather shop, top place, wasn't it? Key rings, belts, handbags, stuff like that. And of course, with that shutting as well, you do have the vending machines gone now as well. I think that is probably going to be the next big thing here in Benidorm. 24-hour vending machines. Indoor market there. Great place to go, guys. Before I forget as well, guys, quick shout out to the lad who we saw earlier, who shouted at us out of a taxi window. Didn't catch your name, so yeah. If you do end up watching the video, hello. Tons of nice shops on here, gift shops, stuff like that. Tons of brilliant stuff in there as well. Kebab shop as well down here. And the Hotel Nero, Survey Group Hotel Nero. Apparently rather a nice hotel. Never stayed there myself though. That's a question, I mean, it's a question both me, Sue and Mike have been trying to work out a while. Now that we live in Benidorm, where do you go on holiday? And the other entrance to the indoor market there. And the third one, just stand there. Gonna try cross over. Anyway, as I was saying, where would you go on holiday when you live in Benidorm? Like, I mean, to be honest, it can be asked for any country abroad. Where would you go on holiday if you live abroad? Yeah, you could go Greece. Anyhow, coming down towards Avenida Mediterranean now. The halfway point of the video. Oh, I've got hiccups and all. Nice car over there, guys. A Subaru. Can't remember what type though. If I had to guess, I'd probably go for a Subaru Impreza WRX STI, possibly. Not too sure. Anyhow, come round the corner, round past I'll hop one of the shops you will see a lot of here in Benidorm. Give the bell a quick ding for good luck. And screw it, attempt to cross the road. And I've missed it. So down on the Med now. Of course, Avenue de Mediterraneo, one of the main shopping areas. Loads of great shops around here. If you're wanting football shirts as well, just head up around this little area here. You are probably bound to find whatever shirt you want, whether it be the new Liverpool kit or one of the limited edition Ajax Bob Marley shirts. Coming into view is the Hotel Port Benidorm, ain't it? Yeah. And of course, just sort of nestled in behind it is the Hotel Montpark as well. Two very nice hotels. And we start our last leg on our adventure towards the beautiful Levante seafront. I'm going to cut off down this bit. As you can see, hopefully, the Benidorm open top tour bus is sat at the stop now doing another pickup. There is two of them that actually operate. We have one that does a trip to Altea and Albia. Of course, Albia being first, Altea being last. And you have another one that does a tour of the beautiful Benidorm Old Town and finishes off in La Gala Finestrat, passing some very nice sort of parts of Benidorm, such as the very tall Hotel Bali and the beautiful Park della Agrera. Now, if you do get told the wrong times or something by one of the drivers, do not panic, just stand round this stop here. The bus will probably eventually arrive. Also, a bit more advice. Do not do what we done. The driver did actually say the Altea bus weren't running that day. He said it only runs in the morning, which is a load of lies. The Altea bus does run all day, same with the Finestrat bus. Carrying on. Coming round onto Fat Man's Paradise. Fat Man's Corner, I mean. What more could you want? Kebab shop there. Burger King just across the road there, and round the corner, McDonald's. Oh yeah, and not to mention an ice cream shop. Perfect. And I think you can just about see it now, guys. That beautiful crystal blue colour of the Mediterranean Sea. What does that mean? No, we ain't ended up in Blackpool. We've made it down to Levante Beach on Avenida de Madrid, which is basically the road that spans all the way along Levante Beach and Levante Promenade. And it's looking rather quiet today at the corner, which is something I noticed the other day with the corner of Poniente Beach. The corner don't get as busy as the rest of the beach. So yeah, anyway, Levante Beach just there. I'll find somewhere to end the video now. Well, on the roundabout. So there's a roundabout marking Levante Beach. Pretty sure come November, end of November, sort of that time, it will be replaced with the Benidorm Levante Beach Christmas tree. Anyway guys, much love everyone, hope you enjoyed today's video. Just a quick sort of walk down from, let's say, round by the indoor market down to Levante Seafront. As always, it's another day here in the office. It's another day here in paradise. Adios, mi bueno amigos.